This is finna be day 2 of the snow. I'm gonna go outside, y'all. This man say he finna jump in the snow. So I'm finna show y'all. Y'all finna see a good clip of him jumping in the snow. Y'all think he gonna do it? Let me know in the comments. Y'all really think he finna jump in the snow ski? Y'all, my man finna do it too, y'all. He said he finna do it too. So you ain't finna do it?
No.
Yeah, he just bet $5 he finna do it.
I ain't bet nothing.
Yes, you did. That's why he put an extra pair of pants on.
No, it's cold. I just went out there.
He put an extra pair of pants. Don't let him lie to y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. But if not, y'all, he gonna be jumping in the snow for real though. So make sure y'all watch the full video. Y'all, it's gonna be freezing out there. I'm gonna put my hood on, y'all, cause I'm already knowing it's gonna be cold out there.
Come on.
Y'all look at this, y'all. Y'all, it is freaking. Y'all, it is cold. And the freaking snow is so slippery. Alright, y'all, hold on. Y'all watch this. Oh!
Boy, tell me.
Y'all, he actually doing this in the cold. Y'all, he is actually jumping in the snow.
That sound like it.
That doesn't sound like it hurt.
Don't do it right there, boy.
It's the car is freaking snowed up. It is frozen. What?
You know my homeboy said he said. Yeah, it's not that. It's not that bad.
It is bad. Talking about something that ain't bad. For real. The car is frozen. His tires. Y'all, Tavion really jumped in the snow. Mine was jumping. It sounded like it hurt. Woo! Too much. It cold, y'all. I'm finna go back inside, but.
I had three layers.
I
hear it. That thing ice.
I know, I heard it. Straight ice. Yeah, like, it is cold out there. It's too cold. Yeah, what you think about that? Tawanda, say hey to the vlog.
Y'all, I was inside. I was not gonna go outside in the snow like them.
Yes,
They
Tavion
crazy.
actually jumped in the snow. That's crazy.
Y'all, I had to stay inside because I was making my hot cocoa.
Oh yeah, y'all. She been making me some hot cocoa lately. It been heat. It been fire. For real. But y'all, we ain't do nothing. It's too cold, y'all. It's too cold. Y'all, it's cold out there. I ain't gonna lie. But Tavion actually jumped in the snow. He said when he jumped, it was ice. Like I even heard it. Like it sounded like ice. Not gonna lie to y'all. But y'all like, comment, subscribe. This is day 2 of the snowstorm. Day 2. Not gonna lie, we still chilling, just watching TV. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing else to do. Ain't nothing else to do. Y'all think we finna do that challenge, like the challenge like burger cat. Y'all know that been on TikTok and YouTube. We probably do that. So make sure y'all stay tuned and like, comment, and subscribe. You dig? Okay, cool. But yeah, y'all, we gonna do that. So we'll see y'all in the next clip. But this is day 2 of being snowed in the crib, you know. What's up, y'all? We finna do that word beat challenge. Y'all say hey to the vlog. What's up, Ski? Gang. It's gonna be me first, and then Tawanda, she's gonna go, and then Babe's gonna go, and then Tavion's gonna go. So, go. Okay, he finna find one, y'all. Do that one. I'm gonna go first. One, 6, 6, 6, 6. 1, 1, 9, 9, 6, 6, 1, 1. 6, 6, 6, 6, 1, 9, 1, 9. 1, 9, 1, 9, 1, 6, 1, 6. Period. Now it's how one does. Okay. Wait. Oh, mouse.
Come on.
Oh, house. Mouse, house.
mouse, house, house, mouse, mouse, house, house. Mouse, house, mouse, house, mouse, house, mouse, house. Okay, we'll go.
Cat, 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 cat. Dog, 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 dog. Cat, 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 dog, 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 dog. Cat, cat, dog, dog, cat, cat, dog, dog. Cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog, cat, dog.
Don't pause it. Yeah.
Cat, 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 cat. Money, 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 money.
Money.
Cat, 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 money, 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 money. Cat, cat, money, money, cat, cat, money, money. Cat, money, cat, money, cat, money, cat, money.
Very hard now. Y'all say this thing. Cake, 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 cake. Oh, wait, bread. Head, 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 head. Bread, 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 head, 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 head. Bread, bread, head, head, bread, bread, head, head. Bread, head, bread, head, bread.
Say the word on the beat.
Come on, it's your turn. Now, babe, your turn.
Mouse house. God, dog.
My turn. Table, 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 table. Apple, 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 apple. Table, 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 apple, 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 apple. Table, table, apple, apple, table, apple. I can't even see you. You messed me up. Table, apple, table, apple, apple, table, apple, table. Y'all, he cheated. He had the thing on. I couldn't even see it. Come on, your turn.
Burger, 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 burger.
Tiger, 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 tiger. Burger, burger, tiger, 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 burger, burger.
Okay.
Burger, burger, tiger, tiger, burger, tiger, tiger, burger.
Ooh.
Tiger, burger, burger.
Ah, you out. You got that one wrong.
Oh, snap.
But
Find the other one.
Get it or. What's on?
Wait, I'm out.
See, that's cool.
The word. It's me and Bay, y'all. Alright, it's my turn, right? Or your turn?
be like, what is it?
Alright, y'all, this gonna be it for this video, y'all. Y'all, this gonna be it for today's video.
Nah, don't put that.
Nuh-uh.
That thing says something totally
Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the videos. Nah, I think I've seen enough right now. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. That's gonna be it for today's video. Us doing the say the word on beat challenge. We tried to do some hard ones, but that was hard to find. But I hope y'all still enjoyed today's video. So if y'all did, make sure y'all give today's video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.
If you visit the channel, subscribe as well.
Period, like my man said. You dig that? Till then, y'all give us some more videos in the comments below right now. Till then, I will see y'all in the next video. Yeah,